The 2023 Hyundai Tucson swaggers a state-of-the-art style that stands apart among its more clear-headed looking smaller SUV contenders. That doesn't imply that the Tucson penances common sense or moderateness. It brags both. Hyundai has adopted the sweeping strategy with the Tucson, offering a wide assortment of trims and powertrains, remembering a mixture and fitting for half-breed, which we survey independently, giving it expansive allure. The section-level powertrain is a 2.5-liter four-chamber, yet the crossbreed and module mixture models utilize a turbocharged 1.6-liter four that is buttressed by an electric engine, a blend that gives more enthusiasm. Passage-level models of the Tucson are pleasantly prepared, while better quality trims go too far from standard to exceptional, giving it an edge over adversaries like the Honda CR-V, the Toyota RAV4, and the Volkswagen Tiguan. Following a total upgrade for the 2022 model year, the Tucson sees a couple of bundling changes for 2023. The Superior bundle has been wiped out from the SEL model and its items have been circulated as standard elements to other trim levels. For instance, the all-encompassing sunroof is presently standard on the inline trim, and the bigger 10.3-inch infotainment screen can be tracked down on all XRT manages and up. Versatile voyage control, passerby discovery, and a speed limit help include are currently standard on all Tucson manages. Tranquility White Pearl replaces quartz white on the Tucson's outside variety range. We propose the SEL Comfort trim as it offers an incredible harmony among highlights and cost. It comes standard with warmed front seats, vulnerable side observing, versatile voyage control, a sunroof, and a 10.3-inch computerized check show, among different comforts. An energetic inline model is likewise accessible, interestingly, similar to a rough XRT model. However, for purchasers expecting an elite presentation, turbocharged four-chamber will be frustrated to discover that selecting both of these sums to just an appearance bundle.